Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something incredible to share with you, the do-it-yourself home energy solar panel system. Get ready to discover the benefits, advantages, and solutions this product offers. Before we dive into the details, let me tell you why this product has been making waves. The do-it-yourself home energy solar panel system is a revolutionary solution that allows you to harness the power of the sun and generate your own clean and sustainable energy. It is the step-by-step, easy-to-follow system that allows you to slash your energy bills by up to 75% or more within 30 days. Take control of your home's energy so you can finally break free from your dependence on the big energy companies and our country's aging energy grid. Also make your home 100% immune from future power outages or blackouts, because you'll be able to make all of the energy you and your family will ever need, right from the comfort of your own home. Let's talk about the impressive benefits you'll experience with this system. First and foremost, it can significantly reduce your energy bills. By using solar power, you'll be able to slash those monthly expenses and save money in the long run. But that's not all. With the home energy solar system, you'll also reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a greener planet. It's a win-win situation for both your wallet and the environment. One of the standout advantages of this system is its versatility. Whether you live in a house, apartment, or even an RV, the home energy solar system can be easily installed and adapted to suit your specific needs. It's all about convenience and flexibility. Others advantages are independence from the grid. With the home energy solar system, you can enjoy greater energy independence. You won't have to rely solely on the grid, especially during power outages or emergencies. Increased property value. Investing in solar power can significantly increase the value of your property. The home energy solar system is a valuable addition that potential buyers will appreciate. Durability and longevity. The home energy solar system is built to last. It's designed with high-quality materials to withstand various weather conditions and provide reliable performance for years to come. Now, let's talk about the solution this product offers. The home energy solar system provides you with a complete package, from solar panels and inverters to batteries and energy monitoring tools. It's a comprehensive solution that empowers you to take control of your energy usage. And there is much more. Reduced carbon footprint. By utilizing solar power, you can contribute to a cleaner environment by reducing your carbon footprint. The home energy solar system allows you to take a step towards sustainable living. Energy efficiency. The home energy solar system helps you optimize energy usage at home, making your household more energy efficient. It's a smart solution for those seeking to minimize wastage and maximize savings. Backup power. With the home energy solar system, you'll have a reliable backup power source. During power outages or emergencies, you can still keep essential appliances running, ensuring comfort and safety for your family. Alright, here comes the exciting part. If you're ready to join the solar revolution, make sure to know some of the main benefits you're receiving in the short and long term. Significant cost savings. By utilizing solar power, you can slash your energy bills and save money in the long run. The home energy solar system allows you to generate your own clean energy and reduce reliance on traditional energy sources. Renewable energy source. Solar power is a renewable energy source, which means it's sustainable and environmentally friendly. With the home energy solar system, you can contribute to a greener future by harnessing the power of the sun. Easy installation. Worried about complex installation procedures? Don't be. The home energy solar system is designed for easy installation, making it accessible to homeowners with no prior experience in solar power systems. If you're one of the next 30 people to order, you'll get 7 incredible bonuses and you'll get 60-day money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied with your purchase. Totally risk-free. Don't miss out on this opportunity to save money, reduce your environmental impact, and gain energy independence. Click the link in the description below to visit the official website and take the first step towards a brighter and more sustainable future. That wraps up our review of the do-it-yourself home energy solar panel system. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching Click and Solution, and I'll see you next time.